LPWAN and IoT, boosting connectivity. LPWAN stands for Low Power Wide Area Network. It is a type of wireless technology. It is designed for long-range communication with low power use. This makes LPWAN ideal for connecting a large number of low-power IoT devices over vast geographic areas. How does LPWAN boost connectivity? LPWAN technology has key advantages. It is a great tool for improving IoT connectivity. LPWAN networks have wide coverage. They let IoT devices communicate over long distances without needing frequent network infrastructure. LPWAN applications. LPWAN's versatility suits it for many applications in various industries. In agriculture, LPWAN networks can monitor soil moisture, weather, and crop health in real time. In healthcare, LPWAN-enabled sensors can track patients' vital signs. They can also automate medication reminders to improve patient care. LPWAN solutions. LPWAN technology provides a cheap, scalable way to boost business connectivity. LPWAN networks let companies deploy IoT devices. They have a long battery life, low power use, and reliable data transmission. This makes LPWAN a good choice for industries. They want to streamline operations and boost efficiency. LPWAN benefits. LPWAN technology has many benefits. It has a wider range, better scalability, and improved security. It's also cheaper. LPWAN networks can benefit businesses. They improve connectivity, data transmission, and IoT device monitoring and control. Conclusion. In conclusion, LPWAN tech is key to improving IoT apps. It boosts their connectivity and efficiency.